Hi everyone, it's Clint, and I'll provide just a brief update on what we've been doing in Texas since our last meeting. Since our last meeting, we've had personnel changes on our Texas Spotted Skunk project. We've had two individuals complete their master's degree at Angelo State University under Bob Dower. And after 36 years of service to Angelo State, Bob retired in August of 2022. Bob isn't slowing down that much, however. He is currently acting as the interim curator of mammals at the ASNHC. I know that this week Bob is working on a series of 20 spotted skunk skull and skeletal materials to get them accessioned into the. We've published 3 papers since our last meeting, 2 of which are Texas skunk centric. I want to note Jefferson et al. Here. Occasionally we need a citation for spotted skunk interspecific identification based upon spotting patterns. We report on 4 head-only specimens submitted for rabies testing from an area of Texas where both species occur. We a priori identified all of these as desert spotted skunks, and it was further confirmed by genetic analysis. Finally, I suggest checking out poster number 17 this evening. Daniel will submit this note to the Southeastern Naturalist after incorporating any feedback from this meeting. We are currently not conducting any fieldwork or actively soliciting observational data. However, reports still trickle in. We had 5 confirmed reports of 7 individual plains spotted skunks this past year. 3 of these resulted in fresh whole specimens. I'm currently working on finishing up our home range estimation and second order habitat usage of plains spotted skunks and striped skunks in a coastal prairie rangeland. Currently, our home range estimations are similar to those previously reported in Arkansas. One deviation is that our spotted skunk home range estimates are uniformly smaller in area than previously reported. However, as our study site was a matrix of habitat types, many of which the skunks avoided, these findings are somewhat expected. Finally, we are initiating an analysis of environmental toxicants in both spotted and striped skunks from monitored populations in both Texas and South Dakota. Both research groups reported plains spotted skunk mortality that could not be classified as directly anthropogenic, predation, or disease-based. We are currently planning to conduct this analysis only within these 2 populations. However, we are saving tissues from any spotted skunk that come in. To my final point, these analyses require an entire liver sample or fatty tissue, both of which are not normally saved during museum preparation. As this issue may become a working group objective, I certainly recommend saving a sufficient amount of these tissues on any spotted skunk mortalities in the future.